You ever sat down to connect a circuit from a breadboard to Arduino and your wires wind up looking like this? So for this particular instance, we're going to need 2 pieces of tape, and you will do the same thing with the other one. Method number 2, the tie method. All right, there you go. And then the final method to the triple T method is called twist method. And all you do, just take them and twist them together. If these methods has helped, please like the video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Also, comment below which method you're going to try.